how to make photo collage for Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to make photo collage on your Facebook. It's really simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Facebook app and on the home page, you'll see what's on your mind on the very top, and beside it on the right hand side you'll see gallery icon. Go ahead and tap on it and then choose the photos that you want to post. So just tick on the circle, and once you've selected the photos, hit next. Now here on the bottom you'll see choose layout option. Go ahead and click on it. Now you can choose a layout according to your wish. There are columns, banner, frames. I'll choose columns. I can even choose banners or frames. So this is how Facebook will automatically create a collage for you. You can put the caption and just post it. It's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.